Reserve now.
Ew, what y'all think about my rides?
Grab your wife, grab your kids. Who trying to race? You don't want to race too?
I need that. Gotta have it. Let's get it now. Reserve now.
Let's clean this bad boy up.
Now I'm pimped out. I feel like Pee Wee Herman, yo. I got the Pee Wee Herman bike. MTV Cribs, this is my ride.
Ew, what y'all think about my ride, son? This joint a little clean, right? I mean, it's a little cleaner. It's not much cleaner. I know, guys. It's not perfect. I try to do my best just to get rid of most of the debris that was on it and the thin layer of dust. It looks neat though. It looks really cool, buddy. You can see the color of the seat. I didn't even know this was a glitter seat, yo. You can see the grips again too. Look at the grips are nice and clean. Yesterday they was all dirty. I'm sure with some mothers. If you took some mother's polish, boy, you had these Johns blinged out. Before I put it away, I think I want to take you guys on a little cruise. Let's take a cruise through the city real quick. What you think? You trying to go? What's up? We out. About to put these bad boys to use real quick.
Thank you, GoPro, for letting me down. You're fully charged, but for some reason, you don't want to turn on. I'm feeling like Debo. Hey, yo, everybody gonna think I stole this drum. They gonna see me on this drum, they gonna be like, man, he a hoodlum. He stole it. You know why I'm disappointed right now? Because I just brought the GoPro with the professional mic. It was gonna be sounding nice. I was gonna be sounding cool. But instead, the GoPro battery was completely dead. Ew, that John rhymed, right? I'm a professional. Yeah, I'm pimped out, dog. I feel like a professional cyclist. Everybody looking at me like, grab your wife, grab your kids. Yo, I'm pimped out, dog. How I look? Do I look professional? You guys want to call me Devo's cousin? $2. Ew, this young got back brakes. I feel like I'm 9 years old. Hey, yo, I feel like I'm driving a Cadillac, dog. This is like the Cadillac of bicycles. Yo, we out, dog. One way Corey, where you at, dog? Ew, ew, ew. Hello, how you doing, everybody? Good day, mate. Yo, I'm chilling, dog. Matter of fact, I ain't even gonna ride the beast mode no more. Y'all ain't gotta call me beast mode tune. Y'all can call me Columbia tune. Yeah, look at the city, dog. Meet me. Ew, I got a chair with hydraulics. My chair got hydraulics, Vato. Can y'all see me? Hold on, let me put this up. I wanna make sure y'all can see me. Yeah, y'all can see me now, right? Like, yeah, Toon, shut up, dog. Ew, I get to show y'all the art museum, dog. Ah, y'all gotta wait at the red light. Oh man, it turned green, they're already out. Ew, look at the art museum, dog. We chillin'. Toon taking y'all on an exclusive tour. Right there, next to this pole, one day, I sold 3 kilos of cocaine. Over there, next to that pole, I sold 5 Seroquel pills. Over there, next to that pole, I sold like a bag of Xannies. Say no, they're like, yo, Toon, calm down, chill. All right, I'm gonna relax. For the OG cyclists. Only for the OGs. Because if it was for all my youngins, I'd still be wilding out. What's up, y'all trying to go on the sidewalk? Come on, let's go on the sidewalk. Why does everybody wait to take a picture next to this John? Yo, I ain't waiting to take a picture next to no statue that's in my city, dog. What's up? What you talking about? I'm about to beat my imaginary horn. Meet, squad. I should take a picture of my bike up there next to the tree, right? I feel like a bully on this John. Yo, this is uphill, dog. Nobody told me nothing about uphills. Yo, I gotta get up. Ew, I'm out. Ah! You can do it, Toon. You can do it. Ah! Man, we're gonna go up this. Yo, I always wanted to know how the young bulls got up here. Do the dirt bike riders ride up here with their dirt bikes? That's crazy, right? Yo, we up here, dog. We up here. We made it! Ah, I gotta use the bathroom. Yo, I gotta use the bathroom. Yeah, I'm about to draw in everybody's picture. About to be drawing. Alright, I quit. I'm done. Oh snap, check out the Rocky footprint. Alright, I'm done ruining everyone's picture. Wow, check out the new Comcast tower. Yeah, we chilling, dog. We are chilling like a villain. $2 in full effect. Hey, I'm in the back of the museum, dog. Oh, this is how everybody get up there with the dirt bikes. I finally learned. Well, we chilling. We learn something new every day with Toon, don't we? Overall, this bike runs beautiful. Minus uphills, it runs great. I wonder when's the last time this thing had an overhaul. When's the last time like it's been tuned up and greased? Cause it runs smooth, yo. Look at, I ain't doing no pedaling. And look at, we floating. We are floating, guys. Look at that. Thumbs up for the old vintage bicycle. Triple thumbs up for that view that's in front of me. That view looks good. Ew, is this a ramp? Can I go to the little skate park through this ramp? VIP entrance, son! Oh snap, the law. Woo! Throw in the neutral, Yang. Let it roll. Pop it first. Second, third, yo, Toon, you ain't going nowhere, dog. Ah, the back brakes better kick in. Yo, I feel like I'm in a track, dog. Who trying to race? You don't want to race, Toon. Toon, a professional triathlonist. I said triathlonist. Ew, took that bump. Nice, dog. Look at that. Y'all got an exclusive VIP behind the scenes with $2.